بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين وصلى الله على سيدنا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين. Welcome back now to lessons in Surat al-Baqarah. This is lesson number 85 and we are on ayah number 205 and we are here. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم وإذا تولى شد on the lam تولى سعى وإذا تولى سعى في. What happens here? This drops, go straight to the lam here. fil ardi liyufsida. Okay. Al ardi liyufsida fiha wa yuhlika. Then same thing here as many times before. When you have an alif lam, this becomes kal. Yuhlika al-hartha wan nasla. Right? Wan nasla. Noon. This alif lam drops, go straight to the noon or assimilate, idgham. Wan nasla. Wallahu la yuhibbu. Wallahu la yuhibbu. What happens here again? Yuhibbul fasad. Okay. Next ayah. وَإِذَا قِيلَ لَهُ. This drops, goes straight to the ta that has a shadda on there. قِيلَ لَهُ اتَّقِ اللَّهَ. This hu is going to go straight to the ta. اتَّقِ اللَّهَ. وَإِذَا قِيلَ لَهُ اتَّقِ اللَّهَ. Right? So it's ittaqillah, but this drops, goes from straight from the ha to the ta. قِيلَ لَهُ اتَّقِ اللَّهَ. أخذته because this drops, goes straight to the lam. أخذته العزة بالإثم. You see how there's the ba bil ithmi. Okay. Let me know if that's not clear, if you require extra explanation, but I think inshallah that should be good. فحسبه جهنم ولا بئس المهاد. فحسبه جهنم ولا بئس المهاد. Okay, we'll do one more. وَمِنَ النَّاسِ. Right? وَمِنَ, that's pretty clear. Alif lam drops, go straight to the noon. Huruf shamsiya. وَمِنَ النَّاسِ man, but you got a ya, so مَن يَشْرِي نَفْسَهُ بِابْتِغَاءَ. نَفْسَهُ This, like this drops, goes straight to the ba, but the ba has a qalqala. So نَفْسَهُ بِابْتِغَاءَ مرضات الله والله رؤوف بالعباد. This meme here, رؤوف بالعباد. You can see that, right? Because you have ra'ufun here with the ba that comes after tanween, so ra'ufum bi. You're preparing to hit the ba, so this meme joins ra'ufum bil. This drops goes to the lam, bil ibad. We ended on ayah number 207. Inshallah, shorter lesson. This way it can get up quicker. Assalamu alaikum. See you next time.